So yeah, let's get a petition going. Save Adam the Woo. Bring him back to Disney. What is up, everyone? It is the Endorsement, and thank you for joining me for the seventh episode of The Endorsement Endorses. This is where I take one YouTuber and tell you if you should like them or not. I can be very persuasive. So this is a very special episode of The Endorsement Endorses today, where it's the first episode where I have not endorsed any type of food reviewer. And the reason for that is twofold. One, this is long overdue, and two, I recently missed a meetup that he was having, so I wanted to reach out and dedicate this episode of The Endorsement Endorses to Adam the Woo. Join me, shall you? So yes, Adam the Woo. If you've not heard of Adam, let me give you a little sneak peek into his channel, or channels. His original channel, which is the Adam the Woo channel, I found about 3 years ago, and I remember it distinctively. The first episode I saw, the first video I saw of his, was the Six Flags in New Orleans, where he and a friend of his, I think it was Ginger, went exploring the abandoned Six Flags after, Katrina hit it and left it devastated. So that's where I kind of got my first taste of Adam, and then since then that day I actually remember binge watching him for hours. I subscribed, and now I've been a fan ever since. So basically what he did was, some years ago, just got tired with the 9 to 5, and it just wasn't for him, and just was not happy. So he basically sold all of his belongings, bought a van, and he's just basically been driving around filming things. He does movie locations, abandoned places, just roadside things, wonderful things. Just basically takes you places that you might not be able to get to. And one of the things I think that resonates with Adam is just that if you have a handicap, or you're sick, or you just don't have the means to go to these places and see them, he does it for you. And one of his famous lines is, you can live vicariously through him. And I think that's what gravitates people to him, is not only does he have a great personality and he's very outgoing, very adventurous, but he actually goes to these places for you, if you can. And then maybe you see something, you'd be like, wow, whoa, if Adam can do this, maybe I can do this. And it's definitely inspired me. It helped me even start my tiny little minuscule YouTube channel. I said, if Adam could do it, I could do it. I can talk into a camera about something I like, which is food. But yeah, so if you have not checked out Adam, definitely give him a look. Adam the Woo. He also has a second channel that he started a couple years ago, called The Daily Woo, where he does a daily vlog every single day. He has not missed a day in over 2 years, and I've seen every single Daily Woo since its inception, when it started off with no theme song, or very jumbled theme song, and very 15 to 30 second vlogs, to now sometimes 10-11 minute daily vlogs, and kind of chronicles his day. He also plays bass for a band, Guttermouth, so sometimes he's on tour with them, but he still manages to get out that daily vlog. So very interesting stuff if you like abandoned places, movie locations. The way he does it is very nice. He goes to these movie locations, spends a lot of time and effort, finds them, and in a lot of them, if he has the time when he's on the road, he actually splices them so you can actually see the movie scene and then see how it is today. And to me, it's fascinating. I love things like that. I love anything retro like that, and kind of like, whatever happened to that building, or whatever happened to that house from Home Alone. So he's done some great movie locations, Karate Kid, Friday the 13th, Back to the Future, just to name a couple, Red Dawn. And so yeah, definitely check him out. Abandoned places, movie locations, daily vlogs, you name it, he does it. So there you go. A little shout out to Adam the Woo, but very upset that I missed the meetup last weekend, but one of these days I will shake his hand, and there you go. So thank you all very much for checking this out. It's a little different from my normal food reviews or food review endorsements, but definitely check them out. I think it's something you will enjoy. So please like, please comment, and please subscribe. And we will see you soon with another review. Bye.
Good morning. I'm here. Behind this, look.